stop laughing.
Like this. Hey.
Go, Papa, go!
Oh, Destiny, you're cheating.
I know Destiny, go soft on him just because she always did that.
Kenna, say, damn it! Go, Papa, go! Go, Papa, go!
The A. You have to press the A.
You have to press A, baby. Hold this one. Press it.
Go, Papa, go!
She's all looking.
You gotta do like this, baby. You gotta go like this. Go like this.
Go. Go, Kenny, go. Go, Kenny.
Damn it!
Let it
Destiny.
If you don't, I'm gonna take control from you. For real.
Oh, damn, you still gotta find It's so funny.
Marcus makes him play ping pong on the Kinect on the Xbox.
Really?
And he turns on like AI assistance, so Cannon thinks he's like legit, like beating Marcus.
That is so wrong.
It helps you with your paddle, so you never miss the ball when you can just swing your hand. Have you played the Kinect before?